Today we're exploring 6 of the best graphics cards that are redefining gaming performance, content creation, and visual computing. From budget-friendly 1080p gaming to 4K ray tracing powerhouses and AI-accelerated rendering, these GPUs deliver cutting-edge technology for every level of enthusiast. Whether you're building your first gaming rig, upgrading for competitive esports, or creating a workstation for professional content creation, these graphics cards combine next-generation architecture with game-changing features like no other. Let's get started. Number 6. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is a high-performance graphics card that delivers exceptional 1440p gaming and impressive 4K capabilities for enthusiast gamers. Built on NVIDIA's latest architecture with advanced ray tracing cores and AI-powered DLSS 4 technology, this GPU produces stunning visuals with dramatically improved frame rates in the latest 8AA titles. The generous VRAM allocation ensures smooth performance in memory-intensive games and creative applications, while the efficient power design delivers flagship-class performance without requiring extreme PSU upgrades. Advanced cooling solutions with triple-fan designs keep temperatures low and noise levels minimal during intense gaming sessions. With support for NVIDIA Reflex for reduced system latency, broadcast-quality game capture, and AI-enhanced graphics, the RTX 5070 Ti is perfect for gamers who want premium performance without the flagship price tag. NVIDIA Studio drivers make it equally capable for 3D rendering, video editing, and creative workflows. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti retails for approximately $749 USD. Number 5. AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT is a powerful graphics card built on AMD's revolutionary RDNA 4 architecture, delivering exceptional rasterization performance and competitive ray tracing capabilities. Featuring high-bandwidth memory and AMD's Infinity Cache technology, this GPU provides smooth 1440p and 4K gaming with high refresh rates across modern titles. FSR 4, Fidelity FX Super Resolution. Upscaling technology leverages AI to boost frame rates while maintaining image quality, competing directly with NVIDIA's DLSS. The robust compute performance makes it excellent for content creators working with video editing, 3D modeling, and streaming applications. AMD's Smart Access Memory and Radeon anti-lag technologies optimize system performance when paired with Ryzen processors, delivering tangible FPS improvements. With AV1 encoding support, excellent Linux driver support, and typically aggressive pricing compared to NVIDIA equivalents, the RX 9070 XT offers tremendous value for gamers and creators seeking high-end performance. The AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT retails for approximately $649 USD. Number 4. Intel Arc B570 Best Budget. The Intel Arc B570 is a game-changing budget graphics card that brings modern features and solid 1080p performance to entry-level gaming builds. Built on Intel's refined Xe architecture with dedicated ray tracing hardware and XeSS AI upscaling technology, this GPU delivers features previously reserved for higher-tier cards. The impressive media encoding capabilities with AV1 support make it exceptional for streamers and content creators on a budget, outperforming competitors in encoding quality and efficiency. With generous VRAM that exceeds typical budget offerings, the Arc B570 handles modern games at 1080p high settings with room to grow. Intel's aggressive driver updates have dramatically improved game compatibility and performance since launch, making this a much stronger value proposition. The excellent power efficiency means it runs on modest PSUs, perfect for budget builds or compact systems. For gamers building their first PC or those seeking maximum features per dollar, the Arc B570 represents incredible value. The Intel Arc B570 retails for approximately $219 USD. Number 3. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 is the ultimate mainstream gaming GPU, delivering outstanding 1080p performance and capable 1440p gaming with ray tracing and AI-powered features. Featuring NVIDIA's latest architecture with third-generation ray tracing cores and DLSS 4 upscaling, this card makes cinematic visuals accessible to mainstream gamers without breaking the bank. The efficient power consumption means it runs in compact builds and doesn't require expensive power supply upgrades, making it perfect for SFF enthusiasts. Advanced features like NVIDIA Reflex reduce system latency for competitive gaming, while NVIDIA Broadcast provides AI-powered noise removal and virtual backgrounds for streamers. The generous VRAM configuration ensures longevity as games become more demanding, and the excellent driver support means day-one compatibility with new releases. With support for DirectX 12 Ultimate mesh shading and variable rate shading, the RTX 5060 is built for current and future gaming. For 1080p gamers who want premium features at a mainstream price, this is the sweet spot. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 retails for approximately $329 USD. Number 2, AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT is a compelling mid-range graphics card that delivers exceptional value with strong 1080p and 1440p gaming performance. Built on AMD's efficient RDNA 4 architecture, this GPU provides excellent rasterization performance that often exceeds its price class in traditional gaming workloads. The generous VRAM allocation gives it a significant advantage in high-resolution texture workloads and future-proofs your investment as games become more demanding. FSR4 technology with AI upscaling provides smooth frame rates in demanding titles, while hardware-accelerated ray tracing brings realistic lighting to supported games. AMD's open-source approach and excellent driver maturity on both Windows and Linux make it attractive for diverse use cases beyond gaming. The robust media engines with AV1 encoding support content creators, while lower power consumption compared to previous generations reduces electricity costs and heat output. With typically aggressive pricing and strong performance per dollar, the RX 9060 XT is perfect for value-conscious gamers who refuse to compromise on quality. The AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT retails for approximately $390 USD. Number 1, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 is the absolute pinnacle of consumer graphics technology, delivering unprecedented performance that redefines what's possible in gaming and professional workloads. Featuring a massive die with thousands of CUDA cores, next-generation ray tracing units, and AI tensor cores, this flagship GPU dominates 4K gaming with max settings and high refresh rates. DLSS 4 with AI frame generation multiplies performance in supported titles, enabling smooth 4K 120Hz gameplay with full ray tracing that was previously impossible. The enormous VRAM capacity handles 8K content creation, massive 3D scenes, and AI workloads with ease, making it equally powerful for professional creators as hardcore gamers. Advanced cooling solutions with vapor chambers and cutting-edge thermal interfaces manage the substantial power requirements while maintaining reasonable acoustics. With support for NVIDIA Studio, RTX Video Super Resolution, and professional-grade features like multi-frame sampled AA, the RTX 5090 excels in every creative application. This is the ultimate no-compromise GPU for enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals who demand absolute maximum performance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 retails for approximately $1,999 USD.